How to turn Google SafeSearch on and off on Android. This tutorial shows you how to make Google Search safer for kids in under 2 minutes. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device. From there, go to google.com in the address bar. After that, scroll down and tap Settings at the bottom of the results page. At this point, tap Search Settings. Following this, scroll down until you find SafeSearch. From here, tap on it. At this stage, you'll see options like Blur, Filter, or Off. Following this, tap Blur or Filter if you want explicit content blocked or hidden. From here, tap Save at the bottom to confirm. Once saved, explicit content gets filtered out of search results going forward, making it safer for kids using that same browser. Following this, if you want to lock this setting so it can't be turned off without your permission, sign into the browser with a Google account. From here, if you're setting this up specifically for a child's device, using Google Family Link instead lets you lock SafeSearch remotely so it can't be disabled from their end at all. That's how you turn Google SafeSearch on and off on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!